Yeah, that is so cute. He's getting a chicken back ride. It's not a pig, so it's not a piggyback ride. It's a chicken back ride. You stepped on him. You guys sit on the eggs? You're supposed to be sitting on eggs. Come on, take turns. Get on the eggs. There's a little black chick. Hi. Usually y'all come out and say hi to me. Come here. Come say hi. Come on. Hey there, chickies. You're some piggyback rides from everybody, huh? You like that, don't you? Hi, little one. What you doing back there? You usually run out and say hi to me first. Why are you hiding? Okay, she'll push him in. That was just riding on another chick. Figured bring you out, let you see the chick. Sorry, there's a lot of sun in the way. What are you doing? Huh? If you don't sit on those eggs, I'm going to have to go borrow the neighbor's incubator. Yes. What? You interested in my camera? Nice little one, what are you doing? I can't hold this up any better. You can't go out. I sit here at the chicks, so roosters are hurting them. You gotta sit on the eggs. I took that side down so they had light that came in. I'm straighten the eggs back up here in a few, or they should, or hopefully. You need to sit on the eggs. Yeah. And you just keep getting piggyback rides. Hi. I see you. Chirp, 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 chirp. Come here and see me. Now you're up there. I see you. Now you're up there. You're not sitting on an egg. You guys are sitting, but you're not sitting on the egg. You need to sit on an egg. You sit on an egg. Get out of here, Bean. There we go. Yeah, grab one. Alright. Hey, little guy, what are you doing? What are you doing? This one usually comes right out and sees me. Yeah, you do. Where are you going? Sit right here. You're fine. You're not going to go anywhere. Yeah. Hi. Come here, Kai. Want to see the baby? Remember, Kai. I want to get her used to it. I want to get the babies used to Kai. So every time I come out here, I introduce the babies to Kai. So that way they know Kai's not a threat, she's not a danger, she's not going to hurt them, huh? Yeah? Kai not going to hurt you. See, Kai no hurt you. See, Kai no hurt you. It's okay, Kai. Kai no hurt you. I think Kai no hurt you. Come here. Yeah. You can't go in a big pen yet. You're not a big bird, see? See the big birds? Look, Jack, that's a baby. I know you probably wouldn't hurt him, no. That little asshole right there would. Yeah. Come see the babies? Come see the babies? Look! See the babies? Look at the baby. Hey, Cornflake, you gonna come see your kid? It's your daddy way back there. It's your daddy way back there. On the food block. Hey, Cupie. Some people keep telling me to see these feathers right here. That's on a silkie. Do you see how the silkies have regular feathers on their wings right there? See her? She's got regular feathers. She's got the fluff, like these guys. But they got regular wing feathers. Get in. Get in there. There you go. Yeah, you're gonna wanna go. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Hey! Dirt baby, come here. Look at this guy. He's getting big. Yeah, you getting big too. Come here, Kai. Come here. This little guy's getting big. Come here, looky. And he's a little bit scared. Hey. A little bit more scared of Kai. It's okay, it's Kai, see? It's Kylo. You have seen Kylo since you were little. Why are you freaking out? You stop. Look at those pretty feathers. Alright, I'll put you back. Look, the moms are going nuts. Get in there. Where's that little black one? There he is. I'm hurting him. And here's the little black one. See his feathers? Oh, they're not coming in that great. I think this one is finally going to be a rooster. Then again, it might just be slow. Kai, come here. You see the little black one? Where's he going? This little black one's a scary cat of everything. But yeah, woo! See, they can sort of get through that cage. They're getting a little bit bigger where. But yeah, even my silky girls. Let me see if I can turn this around. Get one of my silky girls out. There's a train coming. Hold on. I know, you want to go back to your babies. It's okay. Now you can see my silky girls got feathers like this. See their regular feathers? Like how I showed you on the chicks? They've got regular feathers. They got the silky feathers, but then they got regular feathers. And this is a pure silky. Yeah, you're a pure silky. She's actually a bearded silky. Just don't got much of a beard. No, what happened to all your beard? You have like, it looks like somebody chopped half your beard off. Were you shaving again? Huh? Were you shaving again? My other one has more of a beard. Okay, go back in. Go back in your kids. There you go. But I just want to show you the babies. Sorry, my photo skills are not that great. For some reason, the other two were scared of Kylo today. But the little black one's always scared of Kylo. But I try to get the chicks used to the dog. And he's her. That's right. Tuck in those eggs. Tiffany's hatching them out. Suck it in. There you go. And I cut these up. Just cardboard, just real quick. Just to, because when they first hatch out, they can get through there. I don't need that. And they can slip through there. And it stays. This dish, take out for right now. This is my nummy dish right here. I just put a little bit of nummies in it for the girls at night. Like a little bit of worms. Oh, I gotta close that. And the rest of their chick feed, which is right here, I put in the bottom of here. I see this dog chick feed. I was putting the chicks in there and I was cleaning stuff out. My chicks are old enough they can hop out of the bucket. I need this. So I'll put that in there, and when I come up tonight, I need to put the rest of the stuff back in there. Yeah. And I moved Spaz up here. There she is. Hi, Spaz. See my red girl? My red girl was doing great. But some of my hens are not being nice to her down there. I mean, they're being really mean to her. And fighting with her bad. And there's nothing wrong with Spaz. Nothing about it. She's just really old. She stopped laying eggs. I'm going to go on the other side. She was in with Morty. And she went overly broody. Hi, Spaz. How you doing? Hi, sweetheart. Hi, my beloved baby. Hi. Anyway, Spaz went overly broody. And she wouldn't eat, she wouldn't drink. I literally had to mix up mash and syringe feed her. And I kept moving her out of nesting boxes or throwing her outside. I even shut the door. And she would just stay outside the coop. So I put her in with Morty. As soon as I put her in with Morty, she started eating and drinking. Almost like I simulated, like, you know, she was going to be bred. But Morty never tried breeding with her. So it kind of snapped her out of, I guess, going into it. So no more syringe feeding for her. But she has stopped laying eggs. She won't lay me any eggs. And I kept feeling her. I had to feel up in her. You know, take my finger and put up her cloaca and everything. And I felt her. She's not egg bound, nothing. I even gave her a treatment just to make sure. Gave her some penicillin to boost her immune system. Everything was going great. You know what? You guys got to quit digging out, and the other chickens from next door got to quit trying to dig in. And put stones in there. I get y'all want to be friends, but still. So, and she was really wobbly at first. Like, she couldn't even stand up and really walk. And when I would put her in this pen right here, let the turkeys out and let Morty out, the big white turkey would try to literally continuously make her stand up. By pecking at her and get her to move around. Try to make her move. Because what it is she was down so long, her legs were starting to stiffen up. And that's all Tucky was doing, was trying to peck at her to get her to move. Not in a mean way, but in a, hey, get up and move, you need to move. But then all of a sudden, when she was feeling better and I kept letting her out, there was no problems for a couple of days. And then all of a sudden, a couple of hens down there started being mean to her, started fighting with her, to the point where they started hurting her. They had the back of her neck actually raw. And Tucky was actually starting to be mean to her and try to lay on her and mount her. And it's like, Tucky, you are a female. And she's a female because I've seen my white turkey lay eggs. I've seen the brown turkey lay an egg. And it's like, why are you being so... And usually my turkeys don't do that. And it's an animal thing where if an animal shows weakness, they can sometimes do that to kind of herd them out, to kind of get them away from the herd. They don't want that in the flock. And usually my turkeys don't do that. Usually if there's something hurt, like Morty is completely blind. He has a disability. But Morty raised him, so they look at Morty as a mother figure. These guys up here, even though, you know, that Halloween color looking one and that one over there is an asshole. That one just attacks the food buckets. He can be. And once in a great while, eaglet here can be nasty, but other than that, they're not. Indy right here that I'm touching is not nasty. And Jack Jack's not. Jack Jack's nice. Jack Jack will protect me. Other than that, my roosters aren't really, it's just a territorial thing. They're pretty nice, no matter what I put in here, except the two little assholes did kill the chick. One of the chicks. I didn't think they would, but yeah, they did. But their breeds are kind of known to do that shit. So, I took a chance and I figured, well, maybe she will be okay up here with these guys. Since these guys are little roosters, she will try, Spaz will try to defend herself to a certain point. But it's kind of hard with them the same size down there. And Spaz has always been little. Now her sister was named Nimrod. Her sister Nimrod was a little bit bigger. But Spaz also is old. Aren't you? Yeah. She's not really that old. I had her when I was down at the other place for 4 years. Before the house fire. The house fire was in 2009. Or 2019, sorry. And then I lived with my parents for almost 2 years, and now I'm up here. So, you're about maybe 6 years old? Yeah? So, she's not like old. But, to some, she is considered old. So, I decided I was going to put her up here, and she's been doing well. The hens, the roosters tried riding her. A little bit, but not like really rough. The hens sort of pushed her around a little bit the first day, but it wasn't like down here. It wasn't like majorly fighting. It was just like, this is my pen, this is what we do, and then they were fine. Like that big girl right there. This is feisty. She pushed her around a little bit, but not too bad. It was just a, hey, this is my pen. And you see, she's leaving her alone. Everybody's leaving her alone. She's fine. Aren't you, baby? Yeah. Everybody's leaving you alone, huh? Say, everybody's leaving me alone. They're being good. Get away. I can pet her if I want. See, he's getting jealous because I was petting her. Yeah, you're jealous because if I pet or touch anybody, if I pet the hens, you got to come over and ride them. If I pet the roosters, you got to try to make a... Yeah, go away. Here, I'll be nice. Want some plans? They got him and you didn't. I'm trying to be nice. Here's Spaz. One piece of grass. One piece of grass? No? One piece of grass? You could have had a piece of grass. You just went out. If I let Spaz out, Spaz would follow me around the yard kind of like Lane would. Don't you? That's what you want. You want out to follow me around, don't you? Huh, you want out, don't you? Follow me around. Hi, Cupie. You'd probably follow me around, wouldn't you? Yeah. Yeah, you would. Huh, hi, Cupie. But she was doing good. She's got weight back on her. She's good to go. So, like I said, I let her out here for like 3 days. She was fine in a big pen. And all of a sudden, and the hens could see her. And it's not like the hens couldn't see her. And the hens were being assholes. And decided to be mean to her. And the one turkey, so I just pulled her. Because that's all she was doing. She was hiding. She wouldn't even come out. And she's like, you need to eat and drink. I can't keep food and water inside. So, what are you coming over to visit? Neighbor's chicken. Hi, what are you doing? You come to say hi? checking out my flock? Anyway. My camera battery's about dead. Yeah, I gotta go charge my battery before I can load this. Yeah. So you gotta say goodbye, Spaz. And then I'll come out here in about 3 more hours and feed you guys. Because look, you still got food. You got food scattered all around. You got a whole bunch of water. Yeah. Yeah. Bye, Spaz. Bye.